Hello, Math 113 students. You have made it to week 5. Wow. Doing a great job. Everyone's really doing well, especially in the summer course. Summer courses are challenging because the weather is super nice outside, and we'd all much be we want to be outside. Trying to talk big words on a Monday, it's nearly impossible. Two things to talk to you about real quick. One, if you're wondering where your grades are, here I am in my lab, and I'm in the student view, and you've got all the calendar and all these other great things here. If you go to over here on the left in this tab to gradebook, um, all your grades should show up. I'm keeping all your grades in Math Lab, so it's all just in one place. Please let me know if you can see it. Please let me know if you have questions. Um, that way you know where you are. I just added your discussion post in today. Okay, so that was one thing I needed to tell you. Speaking of discussion post, everyone's doing fairly well. But there are some of you who are forgetting to put the problem in your post. So you're like, here's my answer to 6B. And we don't know what 6B is asking, and that's kind of hard because we would like to be able to read the problem and do it ourselves to check your work. So, and it's just a minor mistake. I realize it's summer and I'm not mad. I'm just trying to remind you because it makes it easier for all of us to read your work and then know if you've done well. And if you've made some mistakes, to be able to help you correct those mistakes. One other thing I noticed a lot of this week is everyone's like, wow, you did this so well. Wow, you're so organized. Wow, you're so great. But you aren't telling us why they did it well. Um, Even if you're describing the steps over again, oh, look at you found the mean by adding up all the scores and dividing by the number of scores. Something like that is acceptable. So let's work on those two things in the discussion board. Remember, put the problem that you're working on in your post, and also when you respond to others, please try to say something mathematical, even if it is repeating the steps for the problem. All right, you're on week 5. We're on the downhill side of this math class. Everyone keep it up. You're doing a great job. If you have questions, remember the Remind app. I'm always available with that. In fact, the other night someone sent me a message and I was able to respond. Thank you for those messages. And just keep it up. And thank you for being in my class. Have a great day.